Hello friends, I am Lani Hajitsu. Today I am reviewing Infinix FreePods 2 XE27 that I got on sale for 4300 rupees on Saman.pk. I heard their quality is top notch, so I had to try it. Its box opens like a book and the packaging feels premium. The user manual and warranty card are on the left side of the box. Meanwhile, on the right side, it has Infinix FreePods 2, a USB cable with earplugs of two different sizes. I got it in white color, but it also comes in dark blue. The box comes in glossy plastic packaging, which is really eye-catching. FreePods 2 is ready to be paired once I open the box. The FreePods have a sleek, beautiful design that is an easy fit for my ear. It is very comfortable to use. It also has left and right mentioned on the Infinix FreePods 2. This helps in adjusting it to the respective ear. Infinix FreePods has 4 microphones installed. It has ANC, active noise cancellation, that cancels out any noise from the world. It also has ENC, environmental noise cancellation, that blocks any external noise to provide a better audio experience and sound quality. Its touch controls are convenient as well. I can answer and end the call with double taps on its side. To increase the volume, I tap the right earbud once. To decrease the volume, I tap the left earbud once. To switch on ANC, I press my Infinix FreePods for 3 seconds. It is the same for switching it off or switching it to voice through. Its charging case battery is 460 mAh, which gives 28 hours of playback time. 10 minutes of charging gives around 60 minutes of playtime, but on 50% volume. These FreePods are IPX4 waterproof. It means that they are resistant to water splashes from any direction. It will be best for the gym due to it being sweat-proof. Infinix FreePods 2 XE27 stays connected within 10 meters of distance as well. All these features are found in expensive AirPods, but Infinix has introduced them at such a low price. I have been using this for over a week now and I am in love with them. Infinix FreePods 2 is definitely recommended from my side. Bye!